I would like to share with you and quite insulting bug which just happened. On this site, we have the business pages free for adverts, and Google AdSense adverts are enabled only for the blog because the blog is some kind of source of information, and there is not a problem to have adverts on the articles. But however, the way how the Adsence works is that it applies the adverts across the site, but then you need to select which pages you would like to exclude. So what happened recently is that I've actually renamed a page. It was GoDaddy workshop before, and now it's AI with GoDaddy. So when I visit this one, I will see their adverts, and it's not good because we didn't want the adverts to interrupt the workshop description. So let me see. The URL is AI with GoDaddy. Let's grab that and move into the Google AdSense. And when we do when we go into the homepage and into the site, we see there is a Just Relax tag, and that's set up. That's perfect. But we need to see what kind of exceptions are over here. So when we do add, sorry, Just Relax, it's on. We can see the report and we can edit that basically. And when you navigate the excluded pages, so we need to add exclusion, and we need to add the AI with GoDaddy. Add it there, and we will exclude this page. That's fine. That's what I wanted to show you, that if you're running a site where there is only a partial section of the site using the adverts and the rest should not, you need to always remember that this is based on exclusion. So be careful about that. You can a bit of harm what you're doing over here. That's all. Have a nice day.